Well, there's the first set. Now on to the second set until I get the rack filled up. So I'll go ahead and spray these, let them dry. This is all primer going on currently. I have to respray everything one more time with the actual paint. Well guys, warming up a bit out here. I think it's up to 27 now. 17 this morning. So that's not so bad. I'm just putting some of the cedar soffit material in to match the cabin. Want everything to look similar. I gotta take a little bit more off that side. Yeah, actually fit that time, guys. Now I just need to get my little pry bar. This stuff is tongue and groove, guys, even though it's got a small tongue on it. And that's where the issue comes in for I'm just using some 1-inch galvanized staples to attach this stuff on. Mostly galvanized because I can't find stainless. I have never seen it yet, but galvanized sometimes it supposedly reacts with cedar. So a lot of times when we're doing cedar sided buildings and stuff, we got to use stainless steel fasteners. Again, though, I've never seen it happen yet. Anyhow, I'll continue on with that and get the cedar soffit all in, and then we'll go from there if I have any more time left. That was the piece I was looking for. Okay, soffit's in. That's off the checklist now. Now I got to rip a bunch of 1x2s for the battens on this thing and the trim. Probably some corners. Well guys, the last 3 pieces, and we're finally done after 4 days of priming and painting. A lot of work going into this little outhouse. Voila! Finished painting. Did you see the 30-point buck?
No, I did. We're not even looking.
So basically, guys, this is just the maple that we pulled out of that cabin. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the floor in here. And because I don't have the actual flooring nailer, or don't own one, I'm going to go ahead and use my 15 gauge brad nailer and put a 45-degree angle of the gun and just go ahead and pop a few nails in it. And because this is used, you know, you get all this old buildup. I'm just going to scrape some of that out of there. Just so that I don't have to fight with the joints too bad. Basically all it amounts to is old stains and dirt and stuff that gets caught in between the cracks. And like I say, in the spring, I'll go ahead and sand this down and then stain it and put a little better finish on it. So then after getting that first one in, I'll go ahead and set the next one in. Now this is where that tool would come in handy, because you'd set it on the lip here of the tongue, and basically you take a hammer and drive that nail at a 45-degree angle in, and that would tighten the joint up. But because I don't have that, I'm going to just take my hammer and give it a little loving tap and just try to keep them as tight as I can, and then use the finish nailer to do a 45-degree angle. There, just like that. And I'll go ahead and cut a few of them and get them in, and then I'll come back when I turn the corner into this doorway so you guys can see a little better. Hey guys, I'll continue on with this and get back at you. Well guys, I got the floor in and then the backer for the ceiling in. If you can see how that kind of looks. And of course the seat is in. Then I had to put some backer up for the ceiling. don't know if you can see that in the dark or not. There it goes, a little better. But yeah, anyhow, I got that ready. Now I got to get some of that painted shiplap that I made and go ahead and start hanging that.